My name is Betty Ann Finnegan and I'm in Atkinson, New Hampshire. My husband and I, we had some renovations that we wanted to do to our house, a new roof, new windows and siding. Many of their ideas we ended up implementing into our project, things that we hadn't thought about that really were great for us in the end. The communication was great. They let us know how long the project was going to take, and they really stayed to that timeline. We had a project manager who was at our house every day making sure that the project stayed on time and that everything was done to our specifications. I was very surprised at how great the construction team was cleaning up the site. At the end of the project, the yard was cleaner than when they came. There were no surprises with pricing. The quote they gave us was the quote we ended up paying. There were no extras, no add-ons. Everything was very well spelled out. If quality workmanship and great communication are important to you, I highly recommend Refined Home Services. You won't be disappointed.